Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So today is gonna be a flip through my art book video, and as you can see, this sketchbook I bought it like a few months back, and I have this video of unboxing this and other art materials. So I almost finished it. It's not completely done, but still I have few artwork and sketches here I want to show you. Some of them some of them take too long to make a video about, so I post those pictures on Instagram. You can go and check out my Insta as well. I'm gonna put a link here for you. It is the art cake, so go there and check my page on Insta as well, and do follow me. And so these are few things that I did on this sketchbook, and as you can see, there are some different. I don't stick to a same theme of art. I keep on changing a lot because I get bored with one type of art when I do that. As you can see, each and every page is a little bit different than the previous one. So as you can see, this one I posted on Instagram and I love this pattern a lot, and this is also one of my favorites. This is so much vibrant and colorful. There's a lot of contrast in between, and I love this bird a lot, and this got so many likes on Insta as well. This one I made when I reached 1,000 followers, and here are some nice zentangle on a rainbowy color paper, and this is some beautiful eagle zentangle that I did, and I love this a lot. And this one also, I keep experimenting. Sometimes it doesn't go well and sometimes it does. Like this one, this is a really nice piece of mine. It's got a lot of likes on Insta. And this one, the first watercolor that I tried, and I loved this, but I know I can do much better. But somehow the watercolor is not my cup of tea, but still I try my best because I don't want to stick myself to one type of painting or drawing only. So I keep on trying new things. So these are few the drawings I did on a heavy paper. As you can see, this is also done with some acrylics. And this one, a lot of doodling, lot of zentangles, and middle there is this nice flamingo, and I love this. This is peacock mandala, and this one I like this one a lot. This is a classical dancer silhouette on top of the rainbow zentangle pattern on behind this. You can do this on any other pattern as well. And this is called as Madhubani Painting, and I'm trying to make a video on this, and my next video is about the Madhubani painting, but it's still under process. I'm still filming that. And this is also a type of traditional art, Indian art, or you can say Madhubani art. This one is my doodle that I did, and there is a video for this as well. You can go and check on that. And this is still under process. This is the Madhubani art that I'm talking about. There's a lot of, this is a traditional Indian art. There's a lot of patterns in this and nice bold colors. And again, a mandala. I think mandalas are my favorite, and this one I love it so much. I know it's not the best on the features, but still I tried a lot on this one. And again, few abstracts and this zigzag pattern, and this one I did with acrylics. I like florals a lot, but I don't I'm not that good at it, but I keep on trying new florals so that I can master this patterns and floral paintings. Okay, you can see all these are done by brush pens and markers. And this one, I don't know what is it. Why did I even show it here? And this is Lord Krishna, again a mandala. I think there's a video about that also. This is also, you have seen this on a video. This is my intricate mandalas, and this one is a nice pattern design of florals, and again an abstract. Okay, so that's it. These are the few paintings that I did, and this all of them are on Instagram. Some of them are here on YouTube as well. This is my very old sketchbook. As you can see, there is like a lot of paintings which I have already made video about, and I think most of them already have videos on my channel. You can go and find it on my channel. These days are so boring and all. I keep on drawing whenever I get time, but still, you know, with a kid at home, he can't leave, so he gets irritated a lot, so that's really difficult for us. So I'm just trying to make new videos and new posts for Insta as well, but you know, it takes time. So that's why my new videos about Madhubani art, I'm still making it, and it's half done, so maybe in 2-3 days it will be finished and I'll post it here. And if you guys are interested in more that type of videos, do let me know. I'll make sure to make one for you. And that's it, guys. I think let's finish now. That's all. And I've already done few flip throughs before. You can go and check them out if you want. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you next time, stay home, stay safe, guys.